Today we're looking at how to graph points or graphing points. First, this white plus sign actually isn't a plus sign at all. It's a coordinate graph. And there's a few key points that we need to know about. This dot here, this is called the origin. And its location can be written in parentheses 0, 0. Okay? Two other important things to know about this graph is there is a vertical axis, which is a y-axis. And a little trick that I use to remember this is that if you write your y like this, it creates a vertical line which goes up and down. And then our x-axis is the one that works left to right. Now, whenever you are plotting a point, you start at the origin, and you always move over. Then the second number is up or down. Now, it is possible to move to the left. It is also possible to move to the right. It just depends on the graph. When you move up, these would be plus numbers. They count going up positively, and these go from 1 to 5. These are also positive number line. And in the event that you have to plot a negative point, this is the negative. This actually starts with -1 and continues out. And this going down is also a negative number line. So it's kind of like we took a number line going across, which would be our x-axis, and we intersected this line with another number line going up and down. Kind of reminds me of a thermometer. So just a quick recap. In the middle we have the origin, which is 0, 0. This is the starting point. Whenever you graph a point, you start in the middle. And you always go over first, which is on our x-axis. And then the second number tells us to go up or down. Now, I used a term there a little bit ago, and I wanted to make sure we understand what it is, and that is ordered pairs. An ordered pair is how we write the location of a point on our graph. Here's an example of 3 ordered pairs, and we're just going to first write what it means, what these ordered pairs mean. So in this first ordered pair is 0, 7. So that actually tells me to go over, which actually we don't go over at all. Over, we write over none, as in we're not moving off of that origin, that 0, 0, where those two lines intersect, and we are going up 7. All right, when you look at 7, 0, very similar to the one that we just did, except we will go over 7 and up none, which means it stays on the line. Okay, so this first one, 0, 7, will stay on the y-axis line and just go up. And the 7, 0 will go over 7 and stay on that x-axis line. And a more typical looking ordered pair would have two numbers like 3, 2. This means you will go over 3 and up 2. It is super important to realize that you can never go up first. I know some people have explained it. It's like if you're going to use a ladder to go up somewhere high, like on the roof of your house, you're going to have to move your ladder over, then go up. You can't go up your ladder and then go over because you'll fall off. So you must always go over, then up.